Our goal was to come out here and make the Red Rifle look like a Red Ryder BB gun, and I think we did that.
Wow.
Tonight.
Yeah, I mean, I'm disappointed in him for the integrity of this game. You know, I have a lot of respect for him. He's a really good player, and so there's a lot of kids and a lot of people that look up to him, and for him to make comments like that, he's just showing that that's acceptable to do that kind of stuff and say that kind of stuff. And so, I mean, it's disappointing for one of the best players in this league to come out and say something like that. So, that's all I'm going to say about that. I think JJ's a good player, but for him to be one of the best in this league and to show that integrity and to show that type of, it shows what he's about, which is disappointing.